Hello, good morning, student. Today, in our today's session, we will discuss about the art of weaving. Page number 9. It is your most important question. Answer in detail. And as far as the topic of cultural heritage is concerned, this art of weaving is one of the most important art of India, traditional art. Let us we understand what is weaving, what is spinning, what is embroidery. The art of making long threads using small pieces of cotton from cotton ball and joining them together is called art of spinning. So first step is a spinning. Cotton threads obtained from the cotton balls and joining them together, it is called art of spinning. We now example is given here, but we all know that Gandhiji has given it a special importance as a cottage industry. Is the spinning and weaving has got the important place as a cottage industry in India during the freedom struggle, even after the freedom struggle, after independence. Today also in our cottage industry it has a special place, spinning and weaving. Now and joining this thread, okay, weaving means what, spinning means what, embroidery means what. We understand Gujarati word I would like to explain you. Weaving and embroidery and knitting, one more word. Weaving means vanat kam. First step is spinning, and whatever the threads are prepared from the cotton balls, that threads to weave and prepare the piece of cloth, that is weaving. Weaving means vanat kam and weaver એટલે વણકર. વણકર વણાટ કામ કરે છે. વણકર વણકર વણાટ કામ કરે છે, એટલે જે વણકર કામ કરે છે એ weaving. Clear? Now embroidery. Embroidery Gujarati word ભરત કામ, ભરત ગુંથણ. ભરત કામ with a woolen threads on the cotton cloth or a white or any plain cloth. Whatever the design they create, that is embroidery એટલે ભરત કામ. એટલે વણાટ કામ, ભરત કામ. Knitting means ગુંથણ. The woolen threads they knit and prepare the cap, woolen sock, woolen sweater, handkerchief, whatever. So here ભરત, ગુંથણ અને વણાટ. Here during the freedom struggle this weaving art join with Swadeshi movement and to make us self-reliant under the banner of freedom movement, which has created a new history. During the Swadeshi movement, as you learn in standard 9, right beta, Mahatma Gandhi and his spinning wheel, Le Charkho, on that spinning and weaving, and encourage this cottage industry as a part of Swadeshi movement. Hand weaving, since ancient time, India is known for this textile industry. Textile industry today also well known in the world. India's textile industry in Gujarat, our Surat is well known for the textile industry. Not only today, but since ancient time, India is known for its textile industry. It is known that the whole piece of cloth of particular size of fine muslin of Dhaka could easily pass through the ring and could be adjusted in a match box. To support your answer, this sentence you need to write, in those days when textile industry was not there, when our weaver used the simple tools and they weave the cloth in Dhaka, fine muslin of Dhaka, મખમલનું કાપડ, they prepare in such a way, the artisans of Dhaka, the weavers of Dhaka, they prepare the cloth particular size of Dhaka which could pass through the ring. You guess it, 1 meter cloth of fine muslin of Dhaka prepared, which could pass through the ring, our finger rings, and it could be fold and adjust in the matchbox. It means how much thin it was. This muslin of Dhaka was too much thin, which could pass through the ring and which could be adjusted in a matchbox. That was a speciality of the Indian. Here, speciality, mastery of Indian. To support our answer, we need to write this sentence. Next one, carpet of several regions, knitting work on attires and artistry, means on our garment the knitting works, and carpets occupied a prominent place in the world. Among them, patolas of Patan, Kanjivaram and Banarasi saris, Bandhani of Rajasthan are unique identity of India. And in all this work, art of weaving, you can see patolas of Patan, Kanjivaram and Banarasi sari, Bandhani of Rajasthan are unique identity and best example of art of weaving, which how much the weaving art developed in India before the independence. During the now special information and knowledge wise, we will discuss about the patolas of Patan. During the golden period of Solanki era, Gujarat has progressed in this field, means in the field of art, in the field of weaving. During the reign of Siddharaj Jaisi, many artisans, means weaver, came and settled in Patan. The patolas of Patan became world famous due to their skills. Means the weaver's skill. The weavers of Patan who came and settled in Patan during the Siddharth Jayasing's rule, they made Patan world famous. Such a type of patolas they were producing. This art of Patan is more than 850 years old. Fill in the blanks, beta. Art of Patan is more than 850 years old. Only handful of artisans have the skill for such a complicated, time-consuming art. Means the art of weaving patola is a time-consuming. Means take more time to prepare one patolas many days, and here it is also known as Bevadikt. Patterns of patola known as a Bevadikt. Why the patolas of Patan known as a Bevadikt? 2 marks answer, beta. This silkware produced in Patan is called patona. Here ikt means weaving, Bewad means two side. These patolas weave in such a way, so it could be put on either side. This type of sari is designed in such a manner. Patola is one type of sari for the females, and its design is created in such a manner that it could be worn on either side. So why it is known as Bewad Ikt. Patolas of Patan known as a Bewad Ikt because this sari is designed in such a manner that it can be worn on either side, as like your raincoat or your winter sweater or jacket. Today you can put on either side, that is, same way patolas. Main point here, beta, the patolas of Patan made the Patan world famous. It is more than 850 years old art. Only handful means we can count on fingers, tips of fingers. That much weavers were there in Patan. Not more than 100 weavers were there in Patan. They only know how to weave and produce these patolas. So 850 years old art, handful weavers know it, and it is a time consuming art and complicated work. It is known as a Bewad Ikt. Bewad means two side and Ikt means weaving. So this type of patola variety has a good durability. Durability, beta. For a longer time it does not torn and its original color remain intact even for many years, 10 years, 20 years. After even these patolas, colors remain intact. Means just you purchase, just it is a new cloth and you put on, so it is its color remain intact is the point, and it has a good durability. Today many garments we purchase initially colorful, attractive, but within 2 or 3 wash it become dull and torn early. But speciality of the patolas of Patan is what? Has a good durability and its original color remain intact, and so why it is saying that पड़ी पटोले बात फाटे पर फिटे नहीं. Patola may be torn, but its design and color never become dull. એટલે પડી પટોળે ભાત ફાટે પણ ફીટે નહીં. The design laid down in patola shall never fade even if the cloth may be torn. પટોળું ફાટી જાય પણ એની ભાત અને એનું જે કલર ડિઝાઇન એ ક્યારે ડલ થતી નથી. સો this is the question about patolas of Patan and general question art of weaving. Short note, right? In detail we discuss here. You need to write about the muslin of Dhaka. You need to write about the art of spinning, its importance. Example wise, you need to write about the galicha, knitting work, and Kanjivaram sari of Banaras, Bandhani of Rajasthan, and patolas of Patan. Then specially you will write 4 to 5 lines related to patolas of Patan. Means your art of weaving question is ready. Is it okay? Now art of embroidery. The work of embroidery can be seen on the clothes of idols and statues which were found during the excavation of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilization. So here, to support your answer, how much old the art of embroidery? Art of embroidery, our ancient art. Even the people of Harappan civilization and Mohenjo-daro civilization, they used to do the embroidery work on the cloth of the idols and statues. It means they know the art of embroidery. That is the point. The art of weaving on the clothes of men, women and children are very famous from ancient time. Weaving was famous, embroidery was also famous. This art of embroidery was seen on the clothes of men, women and children in Sindh Pradesh, Saurashtra, Kutch region at the time of Indus Valley civilization. Right? So Saurashtra, Kutch and Sindh Pradesh, there the garments of men, women and children on their cloth, you can see the embroidery work. Here this Kashmiri work of Kashmir is also well known. The Kashab work of Kashmir means Kashab of Kashmir is well known. Since ancient time, Kashmiri shawl is famous. Apart from embroidery, Bandhani of Jamnagar, fill in the blanks, beta. Jethpur, Bhuj and Mandvi of Gujarat are very popular. Bandhani of which territories or city of Gujarat are very popular? Bandhani of Jamnagar, Jethpur, Bhuj and Mandvi are very popular. The traditional style of Bandhani with all its luster and due to the beautiful design of elephant, puppet, dice and picture, it is very popular today. Here very luster word is there. Bandhani with all its luster means attraction. With all its luster means attraction, which attract the mind. We can say मनमोहक, मनने मोह प्रमाणे मनने आकर्षित करे એવું. That is luster. Because of fast color like pink, green, red, yellow, orange color they use and create a design of elephant, puppet, dice and picture on this bandhani, and it is very popular. Here, cottage industry was taken over by the women of Kutch, Saurashtra region of Gujarat. So this embroidery work become the work of cottage industry. Means the women of Kutch and Saurashtra region of Gujarat, they used to do embroidery work on cloth of men, women and children, and some decorative piece, wall piece, tablecloth or our cloth bag, on that also embroidery work they are doing. Means embroidery work become a cottage industry for the women of Kutch, Saurashtra and region of Gujarat. The traditional art of embroidery, toran, chakda, pillow cover, bed sheets, shak, todalia, clothes like khediya is well known even today. Khediya, you know, during in Navratri, the Garba players, they used to put on the khediyu. Same way pillow cover, bed sheet, toran, chakda, todalia. Traditionally, they are antique piece. As they are prepared with the embroidery work is well known. Embroidery work is also carried out on a quilt and shawl with different designs. Embroidery work of Jat community of Banni area of Kutch is unique in itself. Fill in the blanks, beta. Embroidery work of blank area of Kutch is unique in itself. Jat community of Banni area is a unique in itself. Is well known. It is okay. Jat community Banni area are doing the embroidery work, and it is unique. Like that, one paragraph here about the embroidery work. Weaving and embroidery generally they used to ask combine. Write in detail about the weaving and embroidery art of India. Both jointly ask. So you need to learn in such a way. Easiest scoring point we discuss. Now our next brief short note, leather industry. Skin of dead animals was used for various purpose in ancient India. Various purpose. Leather use beta. First of all, we will understand how do we obtain the leather. After the death of animals, its skin was processed. Means the dead body of the animal, especially bullock, cow and buffalo, their skin, yes, removed from the dead body and processed. Processed means to remove this fleshy skin, flesh, the and blood, fat, etc. removed, and very first need to clean it. But after that it is not usable. It is too much hard. So to apply the oil, to dip it for a longer time in the oil and to make it soft. In short, it is a process. After the death of animal, the skin of the animal processed in a traditional manner, and it is called leather. This leather was prominently especially used for making masak. Masak means a leather bag for fetching the water, and kosh, drum, dholak, tabla, and the bellows used by the blacksmith. These two new words you need to understand. Masak you understand, but here in a masak means a leather bag. In those days, tube wells were not there. Diesel engine or machine was not there to lift the water from the well. So our ancestor, they used to fetch the water from the well. Mashak means big leather bag they utilize. It contains 50 liter, 100 liter water, that much capacity. Bag and the pulley and wheel. So bullock, they used to fetch the water. That much liter water directly, easily they could not. So they specially use this mashak to fetch the water from the well, and it is total, this system is known as course. Today tube well. In those days they use the course. I will explain you in the classroom in detail. On the board I can draw it and explain you in detail, but just understand course, mashak, to fetch the water from the well. Then bellows, one word is there. Bellows used by the blacksmith. Today the wheel, the furnace where the coals are burning and the iron tools they kept in it and heated to give it shape and to sharp them. But continuously blowing required to blow, so the coals remain burning. Furnace generate the heat. For that, today the wheel use. In those days, the leather bellows was there like our lungs. In our body, we have a lungs for breathing. Same way, this shape of the lungs, bellows bag is there, which they have to fill up the air. They push it through the pipe. It blow the coal and the coal remain burn. So this bellows is a one tool utilized by the blacksmith to keep the furnace burning. So here, which goods are made from leather? Mashak, kosh, drum, dolak, tabla, and the bellows of the blacksmith, and various type of footwear, leather belts of animal, and this leather was used to prepare the shield which was used during the war. So leather shield was also in ancient time utilized. With a sword or weapon in the battlefield they were fighting, so the warrior for the protection prepare the shield from the leather, જેને ગુજરાતીમાં આપણે ઢાલ કહીએ છીએ. એ ઢાલ પણ લેધરમાંથી બનાવવામાં આવતી. In those days metal was not there, so they used the leather to prepare the shield for the warriors. Leather industry had a prominent place in ancient time. In ancient India, well knitted mojdi of Rajasthan, shoes, leather knitted purse, belt, and other things made out of the leather for horse and camel like saj, palan, lagam, and whip were very much in use. What is palan? What is lagam? You need to understand. Whip એટલે ચાબુક. And on the back of the horse or camel, okay, where the horse rider is sitting, that seat on the back of the horse, that is palan. And the thread to control the horse, that is lagam, which is pierced in the nose of the horse. A lagam which is utilized to control the horse, its speed, lagam, palan. And whatever decorative on the face of the horse, nose of the horse, total decorative goods are there, attractive. એટલે સાજ એટલે શણગાર, પલાણ એટલે સીટ, and lagam and whip of the horse, which are very much in use, are made from leather, like their easiest short knot leather industry, right? Here two short knot, total three: leather industry, embroidery and weaving. I explain you beta. You will read it, you will learn by heart, word to word. If you learn, that is good. Okay, today's session completed. Jai Bharat.